अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा सब्जेक्ट है FIN 622 FIN 622 कॉरपोरेट फाइनेंस। रियल क्विज़ के स्क्रीनशॉट्स हैं। फाइनल टर्म का सिलेबस हम कवर करेंगे और इसका पार्ट 1 है। मेरे पास कुछ क्वेश्चन और भी हैं, वो मज़ीद उसको मैंने सॉल्व करना है। सॉल्व करने के बाद FIN 622 का पार्ट 2 भी मैं जल्द अपलोड कर दूँगा। रीड करते हैं क्वेश्चन 1। Which of the following statement is true regarding index? Profitability index. It ignores the scale of investment. Question 2. Which one of the following is an offering in which the shares of a company are offered to a limited number of investors? Private placement. Next question. A public limited company had sales of rupees 2 million this year. The marketing manager expects sales to grow at a 10% compound annual rate over the next 10 years. On this basis, which of the following is the closest amount of sales in 10 years? तो ये इसका ऑप्शन ए है। फिगर्स को आप रीड कर लीजिएगा। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज डिटरमिन्ड बाय वेरिएंस ऑफ एन इन्वेस्टमेंट्स रिटर्न्स, वॉलेटिलिटी ऑफ द रेट्स ऑफ रिटर्न। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इफ द कॉमन स्टॉक्स ऑफ अ कंपनी हैव अ बीटा वैल्यू इक्वल टू 1, देन सच स्टॉक्स रेफर टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? ये है नॉर्मल स्टॉक्स। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ नेसेसरी कंडीशन फॉर इशूइंग शेयर्स थ्रू इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफरिंग IPOs? आंसर है द फर्म मस्ट बी लिस्टेड ऑन द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज। Which of the following is a dividend that is paid in the form of additional shares rather than a cash payout? यह है stock dividend. Which of the following is the principal advantage of high debt financing? Tax savings. Which of the following statement is correct regarding residual dividend policy? Dividends are paid after meeting all the financial needs of the firm. Next question. Suppose that the sale user rate on an item gets doubled. The EOQ, economic order quantity, for that item should be increased. Which of the following statement does not apply to the factoring of accounts receivable? The firm is always liable for any receivable not collected by the factor. Employees buyout occurs through which of the following? Employee stock ownership plan. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding option? An option creates a right and not the obligation for the holder. All of the following are true regarding the cash flow statement except this statement reports information as of a certain date and is therefore dated like the balance sheet. ये आंसर बाकी सब करेक्ट हैं स्टेटमेंट के मुतालिक। ये जो ऑप्शन है ये रॉन्ग है। A dash is a payment of individual shares to shareholders in lieu of cash, stock dividend. Which of the following is proposition of Miller and Modigliani, the Modigliani theory of capital structure? यह है value of firm is independent of its capital structure. Which of the following are the primary sources of capital to the firm? Bonds, preferred stock and common stock. Which of the following statements best describe the relationship between market interest rates and bond prices? Market interest rates and bond prices move in opposite direction. ये इसका आंसर है. Which of the following is method of evaluating securities by analyzing statistics generated by market activity such as past prices and volume? आंसर है technical analysis. Next, which of the following refers to the profit that results when a financial asset is sold above its purchase price? Answer, capital gain. The term valuation covers which of the following task? ये सारे टास्क कवर करती है. ऑल ऑफ द गिवन ऑप्शन. ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन था. बहुत शुक्रिया.